Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to highlight duplicate values in Excel. First, select the column, multiple columns, or even the entire worksheet. To select everything, just click on the small box at the top left corner of the sheet. Now go to the Home tab, then in the Styles group, click on Conditional Formatting, highlight Cells Rules, Duplicate Values. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you can choose whether to highlight duplicates or unique values. You can also pick the color format for the highlighted cells. Once you've made your selection, click OK. Now all the duplicate values in your data will be highlighted. If you want to remove the highlights, go back to Conditional Formatting, select Clear Rules, and you can either clear rules from selected cells or from the entire sheet. I'll choose Entire Sheet, and all the highlights will be removed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.